Welcome to Drawlipart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to customize touch settings in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll all the way down, then go to accessibility. After that go to interaction and dexterity. Then scroll down a bit and here you can see touch settings. From here if you tap on touch and hold delay, then tap on set touch and hold delay. From here you can change your touch delay time. You can see very short, medium, long and custom. But I suggest you to set short. Then try it out. Then just touch here and that's it. Then tap on done. It's done. Now if you go back, from here you can change your tap duration. Just tap here. You can see it's 0.1 seconds. You can set any level as you want and it's done. And that is how you can customize touch settings in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.